floured surface. Again, so the same flour, the double O. Sprinkles on top. It's sticky. Sticky dough. And we're just gonna just get it together. Okay. Big disc. Okay. Flour, scraper, and we're just gonna cut it in 8 pieces, like a pie. Like a pie. A Ricotta Gnocchi pie. Okay. So we're gonna take this. And we're gonna slide that over. Okay, make sure you have floured surface. We have a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. And, okay, so we're gonna take a pie piece and we're gonna roll it like a log, like a snake. Make sure your hands are floured. Again, always using the double O flour that was used to make them. Okay. So we're gonna roll about 3/4 of an inch. Okay, then we're going to take our bench scraper and we're going to cut it. And there you have Ricotta Gnocchi. Just going to take them and put them on the tray, again lined with parchment paper. They're not going to stick, so you don't have to worry about that. Just put them, line them up. Okay, look, there you go. I forgot the gnocchi. So, just gonna repeat, get another pie piece, roll it out. If you see, you just put it back together if you need to. You don't want to work the dough too much. You want them to be, you want the log to be pretty much the same. And again, we're just gonna take it. And that's it. That's okay. Ones with the point, you can leave them. Just like that. So it's like they're not, at a machine. And then you just line them up on the tray.